When Instagram launched Instagram Stories, no one could have predicted how popular and fun this format was going to be. If Instagram Stories are anything to go off of, Reels might be just an even bigger deal. How to use Instagram Reels for business. Hey, it's Nani from Printful. In this video, we'll look into what Instagram Reels are, how they can benefit your business, and how to successfully create and publish a reel. So what exactly are Reels? Reels are quick and easily digestible 15 to 30 second videos that don't need to be content heavy or extremely polished to engage their viewers. You can share Reels on your feed, your stories, and if you have a public account, you can reach audiences from all over the world. And if you're thinking that this sounds familiar to TikTok, that's no coincidence. While TikTok's demographic is mainly Gen Z, Instagram is the more popular platform for millennials, making it very attractive to business owners and advertisers. It's a quick, dynamic, and creative opportunity to showcase more of your personality and brand. Much like TikTok, Instagram Reels offer you a set of creative tools to create fun and engaging videos on Instagram. Record and edit multi-clip reels with audio, text, special effects, and stickers, and then share them with your followers. Even though Instagram Reels and Instagram Stories sound a lot like each other, they have some key differences. Stories disappear after 24 hours, but Reels stay on your Instagram profile permanently. Reels offer several editing tools, including effects, speed controls, and the option to align multiple clips for cleaner transitions. Reels can be shared to Explore and Stories. You can also choose to post your Reels in your feed. All the Reels you create will also appear in a dedicated section on your profile, similar to IGTV posts. If you include original audio, which are sounds you end up recording in video, your audio will be attributed to you and other users can use it to create new Reels. So why are Reels good for business? Brands should grab the opportunity to be on Instagram Reels and engage a new kind of audience, people who prefer quick and compelling content. Since it's a completely new feature, Instagram is pushing it to engage a bigger audience. Use it to your advantage to get in the spotlight. Reels are shown in the Explore page, which is viewed by more than 50% of Instagram users every month. If your Reel is shown on this page, you'll have a big opportunity to reach new followers and even buyers without having to invest a lot of time into creating content. Reels aren't supposed to be perfectly curated or edited. In fact, they're the exact opposite. When you have an idea for a video, just use your phone camera to make it come to life. This gives videos a much more natural feeling and gives a more personal, less stilted insight into who's behind the Instagram account. You can also think of Reels as a way to truly engage with your audience, build trust and connection. Trust is the most important quality in a business and a brand, especially when it comes to building relationships with potential and existing customers. So why not give Reels a try and show a more carefree and personal side of your business? What kind of content can you create for Instagram Reels? Before you jump into Reels head first, make sure to explore the kind of content that's currently trending to get an idea of what people like looking at. Here are a few ideas about the kinds of content you can create. Tell your audience more about yourself, share the story and values of your brand. Create educational content that people might find useful. Share testimonials from happy customers. Post motivational content. Show your businesses behind the scenes. Film your workspace, show how you design your products, introduce your team or yourself. Showcase your products. Tweak viral trends to fit your niche. If you've already been creating content on TikTok, you can reuse TikTok videos here. Note that it's probably best not to publish content with other companies' logos on it, as they might not be supported by Instagram's algorithm. To grow your following, drive more sales, and attract new customers, make sure your Reels are really reflecting your brand voice and style. Personalizing your message to fit exactly the type of people you want to attract and showing a more real and vulnerable side of yourself and your business will make your potential customers trust you even more. How to create an Instagram Reel. Let's break down how to create a Reel. Open your Instagram app. Before we start creating a Reel, let's take a look at the variety of features available. Video length. You can choose between a 15 or 30 second clip, but that doesn't necessarily mean you can only record videos that are those exact lengths. They can be anywhere between 3 to 30 seconds long. Audio. Search your song from the Instagram music library. You can also create your own original audio simply by recording a Reel with it. Note that if you're using a business account on Instagram, you won't be able to use music due to copyright laws. If you have a business account and want to publish Reels with music, we suggest filming and editing Reels in a separate editing app and then adding royalty-free music there. Then you can upload the finished video to Reels. Speed. Choose to speed up or slow down whichever parts of the video or audio you select. This can help you make slow motion videos or stay on beat. Effects. Select one of the many effects in the effect gallery, such as filters made by Instagram or other Instagram users. Timer and countdown. Set the timer to record any of your clips hands-free. Once you press record, you'll see a 3, 2, 1 countdown, so you have time to get ready. You can record reels by shooting a series of clips, filming them continuously, or by uploading a video from your gallery using the box in the lower left corner. Let's film several short clips for our reel. To record our first clip within the app, simply press and hold the capture button. You'll see a progress indicator at the top of the screen as you record. Stop recording to end each clip. If you make a mistake, you can also delete a video fragment by clicking on the arrow pointing to the left and either trimming the parts you don't need or completely deleting the video. Then click Done. Once you're happy with the film material, let's edit the clip. To edit your clip, click on the white arrow pointing to the right. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll see several elements you can add to your video, like stickers, drawings, and text. Here you can also see the option to save the video on your phone by clicking on the arrow pointing down. But for now, let's add some interactive stickers and text. If you'd like the text to only appear for a certain amount of time, you can select the text on your timeline. Once you've selected the text, both the text box and the timeline should appear white. Then click and drag to make the changes. Once your reel's ready, head to the share screen by clicking on the white arrow. Here you can save it as a draft, change the cover image, add a caption and hashtags, and tag your friends. Whatever your brand or business is, there's a creative opportunity waiting for you. So don't wait any longer to try out Instagram Reels for yourself. And don't be afraid to share your reel everywhere you can. The more people see it, the greater the chance that your perfect customer will find it and engage. What do you think the future of Instagram Reels will be? Have you tried them yet? Let us know in the comments below.